Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making fluffy and soft rice roti, light, gluten-free and perfect with curry or bhaji. Simple ingredients, traditional method. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add 2 and 1/4 cup water. One teaspoon salt. Let it boil properly. Use boiling hot water for best texture. Add 2 cup rice flour. Mix gently. Cover and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Open the lid and mix well until smooth. Mix immediately after adding rice flour. Cool for 5 to 7 minutes. Knead well until soft and smooth. Knead while dough is still warm. Take small portion. Roll gently. And cut into round shape. Cook on medium heat for even puffing. Cook on medium heat. Rice flour is easy to digest, gluten-free option for many diets. Flipping both sides until fluffy cooked and slightly puffed. Rice roti is naturally gluten-free. Hot water helps soften rice flour. Kneading while warm improves texture. It pairs well with both veg and non-veg curry. Light and suitable for light meals. Best served fresh and hot. Your fluffy and soft rice roti is ready, light and perfectly cooked. Serve with your favorite curry. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more simple traditional recipes.